Good morning, another vlog. Today is Saturday, no school, no work. Currently at home. Though I got up in the morning also early. He also got up, so we both are there. Now since today we have got up early, we are trying to figure out what to do. Maybe gonna have a good breakfast. I'm gonna start watching some movie or maybe go out somewhere. But in the afternoon we got classes, so soon we have to go towards Mapsa. Planning to see a movie Drishyam yesterday night, last minute by 10:30 or 11 o'clock we about to go, but we could not get the seats. So just booked yesterday for Sunday's movie. Let us see. We're going to a theater after 4 years. I'm gonna tell you how the experience is. Has it changed or not? Let's see. So the thing is that in the morning I got up. You must remember, after getting up, what did I do? The thing is that after getting up, yesterday the technician guy who had come for the AC, I got to know that even he just gave me a call saying that in the morning, saying that make sure you seal it properly so that rats don't go inside. I thought of putting any rat kill or something that way, but it does not make sense. So I went and I bought a thin jali, small hole. I had to remove all the three ACs ka back panel, remove it, cut it according to the inside part of it, fix it, check, testing it, and by doing it, it's become nearly 1:30. It was tiring work. Trust me when I say it was like a work. Finished, I checked all the ACs, it's all working fine. And maybe I want to do it for my office AC also. Let us see. For now, we're making prawns pulao. I'm gonna eat and then we towards Mapsa because we got extra classes over there. Teach kids. Oh man, it's hot and tiring. Dance session for going for quite a long time. And that too such songs. Here are dancing here and you can see the other one. All set. I'm going to Mapsa, packing up things what is needed now, and then later classes. Evening we don't have any plans. Evening we have plans, Ilya. Where are we going?
We are going to Nani's house.
Now we are going to Nani's house, but after the evening we don't have any plans. So if we go, we'll go with Nanu and then we are out. Just reached Mapsa and Ida is sleeping. So I'm gonna do vlog editing now and I'm gonna upload it. I can't make noise. She's sleeping. It's late in the evening. Didn't do anything. Watched a movie on the TV. We ordered from our favorite place, soul curry, food, so some drinks. Ida is playing, watching. Huh?
She wants to smell alcohol.
Yeah. And guess what? How Ida is watching her match. Not on the TV, but right over there that I've kept a phone to see for myself in a private place. Food is gonna come. It's past. It's gonna be 9 o'clock now. Yeah, what you did today? You played and what else you did? Huh? Oh. चोरी चोरी कौन थी रही है ये? हाँ? खुद का माल पी रही है, हाँ? हमारा माल किधर है? चुपके चुपके. Time to eat our dinner and maybe go outside for an ice cream or something. We have no idea. We're gonna chill out, right, with Papa. Tomorrow morning is a plan to go for a movie, so that's what I sorted. क्या कर रहे तुम लोग? क्या कर रहे तुम लोग? ए क्या है ये? शी क्या कर क्या रही है पापा? ये आइटम क्या कर रही है? हे कौन बे? हे दादा. हे म्हणतले तू? ते नानू सगळे. So it's evening time. We're going to have some nice chit chat, enjoy. Going to sleep for today. Early morning movie time by around 10 o'clock is the show. Going to drop Ira to Nani's place and off we go. Okay? Come. Say good night and ciao ciao. Come. No, say good night and ciao ciao. Say good night and ciao ciao. Alright, alright. Good night and ciao ciao.
Good night.
Good night and ciao ciao.